my show Made in America, I go to these companies nationwide, and I saw a lot of gray hair, and I didn't see a lot of young people. So I started asking questions. This is almost 20 years ago now. And the answer I got is, well, young people don't want to do this, or it's hard to find young people with the necessary skills to even teach them, because none of them are mechanical. So it was a little bit of a head scratcher. Then I found out, after traveling some more and asking around, that we canceled shop classes and home ec classes about 30 years ago. And so when kids get out of high school now, they can't even read a ruler. Now, how are you going to train someone to cut those boxes or to operate a CNC machine, to manufacture anything, if they can't read a simple ruler? And that's a big problem we're having. I mean, I just got a call yesterday from a friend in Connecticut who said the local industrial arts school just got a call from, well, two companies at different times, saying that they'll hire all of their graduates sight unseen. The day they graduate is going to guarantee them jobs. So they're beyond the point of interviewing. They're desperate for young people that know how to make things.